At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, December 13, 2022, why you should invest $100 in SOFI stock now? Analysts aren't as bearish on SOFI stock as skittish investors might expect. SOFI Technologies has a consistently growing user base, yet financial traders keep dumping their shares of the company. Analysts may be somewhat cautious, but their price targets on SOFI Technologies suggest strong upside potential. Investors should take a small but confident position in SOFI stock. If you truly believe in the buy low, sell high strategy, then you should definitely have neo-banking firm SOFI Technologies, Nasdaq SOFI, on your radar. SOFI stock has declined in value all year long. At the same time, the company has demonstrated growth according to several important metrics. Plus, there are experts on Wall Street expecting SOFI Technologies shares to head higher, so it's not a terrible idea to take a small-sized position now. It's not difficult to find excuses to give up on SOFI Technologies. For example, the government extended the federal student loan repayment requirement moratorium. That's problematic for SOFI Technologies, which generates revenue from refinancing student loans. Then there's the possibility that the Federal Reserve will continue hiking bond yields aggressively in the wake of a hotter than anticipated November jobs report. You can let these headwinds discourage you from investing in SOFI Technologies. Or, you can just keep your position size to a modest $100 and let it ride, and there are actually convincing reasons to do so. The drawdown in SOFI stock looks overdone. First of all, there's a disconnect between SOFI Technologies' growth as a company and the relentless beatdown in SOFI stock. It's as if financial traders have completely ignored the company's improvement in key areas. In every quarter, starting from 2020's third quarter, SOFI Technologies has grown its membership count by at least 60% year over year. The same can be said for SOFI's total product count. SOFI Technologies' expansion in its financial services products has been particularly notable. During the company's most recently reported quarter, SOFI grew its financial services products by 83% year over year. Also during that quarter, SOFI Technologies improved its adjusted net revenue by 51%. Plus, the company's adjusted EBITDA increased 332%. So, it seems irrational and excessive that SOFI stock has lost around 70% of its value this year. Wall Street envisions upside for SOFI Technologies. Shares of SOFI Technologies traded at $4 and change recently, but some traders might fear further downside. However, there are analysts on Wall Street who actually expect the shares to gain value. In fact, Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev issued a buy rating on SOFI stock not long ago. Granted, Dolev reduced his price target on the shares from $7 to $6. That reduced price objective still implies fairly significant upside, though. Meanwhile, Wedbush analyst David Cheverini reiterated an outperform rating, which is similar to a buy rating, on SOFI Technologies. Cheverini cut his price target on the shares from $8 to $6, but again, this suggests upside potential. Based on an average of 10 analysts' price targets, SOFI stock could reach $7.15 in the next 12 months. This doesn't mean Wall Street is massively bullish on SOFI Technologies, but it should at least give the company's investors a boost of confidence. Take a chance with a $100 stake in SOFI stock. From interest rate hikes to the student loan repayment pause, financial traders can easily identify reasons to be worried about SOFI Technologies. Therefore, it's sensible to keep your share position small. On the other hand, SOFI Technologies is demonstrating growth and some analysts are predicting share price appreciation. Hence, you can take a chance with a $100 stake in SOFI stock for a zero or hero bet on a fintech market disruptor.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.